How to hide following and followers on TikTok. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your account on TikTok, you can simply make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device as well. Now, in order to hide your following and followers on TikTok, first of all, what you can do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. As you tap on your profile, take you to your profile settings. So you can simply select on the profile option and you'll be able to see the number of posts that you have done, the number of followers or the following list that you have on our application. So let's just tap on profile over here, and as we tap on profile, we'll be able to see different options. So here simply what you need to do is tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen, and as you tap on the hamburger icon at the top right corner, it will give us the option of settings and privacy as well. So simply tap on it. So let's just tap on it over here, tap on the hamburger icon, and as we tap on the hamburger icon, we can simply tap on the settings and privacy over here, and as you tap on settings and privacy, simply select on privacy over here and toggle on the private account option. So when you have a private account, then the followers and following list might be hidden on TikTok. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.